but sometimes I get rejected just because of my German skills. I had never saved a penny when I was doing a part-time job.
I hopped into it. I got the job till evening.
Wow.
You can do a part-time job or odd jobs, but at the same time try to find an internship or a working student.
Alright guys, so welcome back once again. This video is for all those students who are coming in winter intake 2024 or summer intake 2025. I'm here with some of my friends. Some of them have already graduated, some of them are studying, and today we will talk about part-time jobs or in general how to find jobs in Germany. Make sure that you watch today's video till the end. Okay, let's start by talking about आपको कितना time हो गया Germany में पहले तो?
It's about 2 years.
2 years, yeah, for you?
6 months.
6 months.
6 months.
4 years.
Okay, so should we start from 6 months first? So you guys came in summer intake 2024.
Yep, April 2024.
April 2024.
Yes.
What has been your part-time job situation right now?
Yeah, initially I was lost. Like I was trying to find some English-speaking white-collar jobs in some offices or something, but it was hectic. I couldn't find anything. And now currently, after 4 months, I got a job which is also an odd job. I'm mentioning it like it is an odd job. It is not a office job or a desk job. That odd job, I thought odd job would be very easy to get, but odd job also I had to find it for 4 months. After that, I got the odd job, and currently I'm working in Volt Delivery Services. So
How much do you make a month?
1200, yeah,
This is
1k.
net?
No, no.
Okay, with
Gross,
tax.
yeah.
Okay, without tax?
It's 900 probably 800 to 900.
Is that good enough for your cost of living?
Yeah, now as a student, I also have a blocked account as my financial support. So currently it's okay. But if my blocked account is finished, then it's not possible with 900.
Since how long are you working now?
2 months actually.
2 months, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's been totally 6 months in
Yeah,
Germany for
yeah,
you. Okay. So मतलब 4 महीने का
4
blocked
महीने
account तो
में
उड़
खाली
गया.
था, नॉन स्टॉप ढूंढ रहा था
नहीं
दिन
मिल रहा
रात. कुछ और काम था ही नहीं. रोज सुबह उठो, खाना बनाओ, खाना खाओ, काम ढूंढने निकल जाओ. रोज उठो, काम ढूंढो. ऐसे 4 महीने लगातार रोज मेरे को काम ढूंढने के बाद भी कोई जॉब नहीं मिली. किधर भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही नहीं है. जिधर भी जाके पूछो, हर जगह फुल है. नहीं है, वैकेंसी नहीं. आखिर में लाइक लकीली ये तो एटलीस्ट मेरे को मिल गया. तो अभी 2 महीने से मैं ये फिलहाल ये कर रहा हूँ. बट जॉब मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है फिलहाल. बट आई होप वो आगे जाके बेटर हो जाएगा अभी अगले साल तक. राइट नाउ इट्स लाइक दैट.
Have you got the job?
Yeah, I've got a job.
What are
I've
you
got
doing?
a job since 1 month. I work in a hotel right now. So yeah, this also I got it like after a long time, because at start I was applying for internships like working student and all, but it's like totally rejections and all due to the language first, and you need good skill sets over here. That is the thing, that if you have the proper skills you will get it surely. But the German is the thing. That my German is a little on the downside. Otherwise, I would have got it, but it's still I'm struggling with the German thing. I'm still learning it. It's just difficult, and it's the job market is terrible over here.
And how you got this job? From where?
I got it through some reference of my friend, because mostly people are getting it through references. So when you just come in Germany, just try to make more references, but just try to make more contacts with people, so that you might get into something. Like otherwise, because people over here, like they have gotten in 2 to 3 months also, because they got proper references and contacts. Like one of my friend, he came like he landed, he got it in 2 months in like Burger King and all. So if you get the right contacts, you will get it for sure. That is the thing.
How much do you take away at home?
Like around 1,000
euros.
Yeah, 1,000 euros. Yeah, so that is the thing. Yeah.
You're doing full-time job now.
Yeah,
But
I'm
once
doing
you
a
were also a
full-time
student.
job. Yes.
It's been 4 years that you have lived in Germany now.
Yes.
Tell us your experience of part-time job and what advice do you have for future students?
For part-time jobs, when I arrived back in 2022, the part-time jobs were good. Like it was stable. Like you could easily get. I got my job, a part-time job, in just 1 month of time. And now after that, I have changed a lot of jobs. A part-time job, I can say. And now I'm doing a full-time job just because I succeeded in my skills. When I came that time, it was good for part-timers, like they would find the job easily. And for me as well, I changed a lot of jobs. Like it's my 7th job in 4 years, you can say.
Wow. So what's your best hack for let's say these guys who are on your
The
left.
best hack, firstly, I would say you should work on your skills first and try to get an internship or a working student here. That would help you a lot in getting a good job, landing in a good white collar job in Germany, and also focus on your German skills. German is really must over here. I was not guided at that point of time, so still I am learning German. I am trying my best. I rest all the skills I have, but sometimes I get rejection just because of my German skills. And for them, I can say yes, please. I don't say that you don't have to do a part-time job and odd job. You can do a part-time job or odd jobs, but at the same time try to find a job like a internship or a working student. That is the must.
You said you're working full time now, right?
Yeah.
You did part-time job as well?
Yes, I did part-time job for a long time. Like I studied for 2 years, of which I just worked for like 1 year and 8 months or something around. Previously, when I just came here, I would like to just say, previously for 1 month, it's really hard, like impossible kind of thing, because you have to get a lot of things like the house registration, the tax ID. You have to get a lot of documents in order to get into the job. Just avoid the cash job. Cash job does not require all those things. But in order to get a normal odd job as well in a restaurant or something, you need all these things like a tax ID and all those things. It will come automatically by the way to your house once you register. But then you can start applying basically, and then you can just grab a job in like 2-3 months. For me, it was I had my exams coming when I just arrived in few days, because I did some online studies previously, and then once my studies were completed, I just got into this. But I found it by just visiting the restaurant which was nearby, and I just walked in. I asked them, do you have a job? And I would really recommend, for starting, do apply for working student and internship. But until you get so, you can do some odd jobs, and also you can apply through Indeed. Also there is available in eBay as well, LinkedIn. You can get odd jobs and proper jobs as well. But until you get that working student or intern, you can do some odd jobs as well.
Where you got your last job, you said? Sorry, I
2
forgot.
months ago. 2
No,
months
no.
ago.
Where? From where?
With the reference of a friend.
Reference of
Yes,
a friend.
yes.
Okay.
One of my friend was working there already. So as soon as there were only, I have to tell you, like there were only 5 vacancies at that point of time. Only 5 vacancies, and the manager has told the previous employees who are already working there, like I only have 5 vacancies now. So if you have any friends of yours, please refer to me. As soon as the manager texted the employees, one of my friend told me like there are immediate 5 vacancies, so you can get in. I hopped into it, so I got the job till evening. Yeah,
Wow.
that's how it happened.
That's how you grabbed the job. Okay. Cool, cool.